Infinite Love, beautiful people. Welcome back to a new video. Today we will inquire about how should I, as a beginner, start to meditate. How will I go into this spirituality and change my life for a better, and also change myself in the process? And is there a process in this? So let's start first. What is meditation? I have a great video about that. I will link it somewhere here. So it is very important for you to realize what the meditation is not. And you can watch this video to go deeply into that, what is meditation. But for now, we will focus on two possible solutions for you if you want to start meditating. The first thing is the standard meditation, where you go somewhere quiet, sit in place and relax, try not to think, focus on your breathing or on yourself. Stay in that place for half an hour, 15 minutes, 1 minute or 1 hour. And what are the benefits of this kind of meditation? This kind of meditation will give you peace and quiet while you are sitting. But the moment you stand up, the moment you go away from your corner, it will be same as before. Nothing will change. So this kind of meditation only helps you in the moment to relax, to let go all of the build-up tension in you, bad thoughts, and it has its benefits. The problem is this kind of meditation creates ego even stronger. The other kind of meditation, the real meditation, has already begun. And that is the beauty of the meditation. When you, together with me, inquire, when you listen to what we are talking together, and when you are not accepting or discarding, but actually asking yourself, is this real? Can this really help me? Can I change myself? Can I be the light to myself? Then your mind opens up and it is ready to inquire into that what really is. And that is the beginning of meditation. So now that we have begun this meditation, we have to continue. And you have to find out, why do you want to meditate? Why is this meditation so important to you? Are you looking for some extraordinary experiences because your normal life is boring? You don't see magic in everything and you need something extraordinary. You have to contact some beings. That is searching for a pleasure. That is searching for the experience, and that is not meditation. But if you are here, if you have seen that this world is corrupted, that you are corrupted, if you have seen that you have to change to be a better person, to live freely, to be free from this human consciousness, to be free from your daily routines, from your daily life, then you are in the right place. You do not have to expect anything from the meditation. What you do is you give attention. And you give attention in your life. What you are doing, how you are doing. Just casually listen what is happening inside of you and outside of you. It is very important to mention the psychological time, because we think that inside of our brain there is psychological time. That means we require time to change, but that is not true. You do not need any time to change. Any change comes instantly. For example, if you are, for some reason, very bad person to your family, you are arrogant and you are saying them bad things, the meditation will not change you through the time. Either you change right here, right now, consciously choose not to do this ever again in your life, or you never change. So the only thing that we need a time for is to develop the skill of observation. That means you will start giving attention right here, right now, with me, listening. And that is the key. The observation sometimes feels like a distant and that only needs to be done with your eyes. But when you say observe and listen, that requires for you to give attention to actually observe and listen what is happening inside you and outside you. And this is not really hard. All you have to do is just casually give a little bit attention. Be aware of the thoughts inside of your brain. And very important thing, you are not your thought. The thought is part of you. It is created from all of the memory, all of the experiences that you had in your life, everything that you ever collected and that you had in your genes, and that all come from the human consciousness is stored inside of your brain. So, when you have all of this memory, how do you get free from this memory? By giving attention, by learning from yourself what kind of person you are. Now you may say, this is funny, I know who am I, but you actually don't know. You do not know why you act as you act. You do not know why are you arrogant. You do not know why you don't have love. And when you give attention, when you subtly listen to yourself, you don't have to give a lot of energy. It is just like, I often compared it to shaving your face. When you are shaving your face, you have to be aware what you are doing, but you can still sing a song that you heard on your radio or think about what will you do next. Same thing when you are listening to yourself in relationship with other human beings. You just casually give a little bit attention and see what you are doing and why are you doing this. The moment you become aware that you are, for example, very arrogant to someone, do not try to comment on it. Do not say, why are you arrogant again? Don't be arrogant. Oh my God, I'm arrogant again. Just be aware without the word in your head, because you are listening. The moment you start saying, why are you arrogant? You are not listening anymore. But when you listen and see that you are arrogant, without the need for a word in your head, then your arrogance melts away. And you never be arrogant again. So all you need a time for is to develop this skill observation. And when you see what is needed to be changed, you change it instantly. You don't need time for that. You either do it right here in that moment or never. You do it right here when you give attention and see that what really is. So this is the thing that you have to do as a beginner. Listen to yourself. Learn from yourself. Become light to yourself. Don't follow anyone. Don't accept anything. Question everything. Every word that someone tells you, even if it seems very beautiful and very nice, do not accept it. Test it for yourself. Give attention. See, is this really working? And when you start developing the skill of observation, when you give attention, you will see instantly change in your life. Your mind will open. Your mind becomes free. Your mind becomes filled with love and compassion. And then you know this is the real thing. So give attention in your life. Test this for yourself. Listen, observe, see if it does make a sense. Thank you for inquiring. I hope that this beginner tutorial will serve you as a not a guiding point, but a place of inquiry where you can together with me see, observe and try this for yourself. Where one is not a master and other is pupil, where two friends who are looking together, where one is pointing and the other's observing, is this really true? Until next video, infinite love.